topic of precision medicine for this forum because it's a really timely issue. We have a number of treatments for multiple sclerosis, over 16 FDA-approved treatments, and as well we have an increasing recognition that not every MS patient has the same disease course. There are some patients with a more active disease course, there are some patients who accrue disability more quickly, and so it's the right time to think about individualized treatment and not a one-size-fits-all approach. So I think that the topic of precision medicine is very timely for today, for the 2019 conference, because we do have a number of new treatments for multiple sclerosis. There is a lot to choose from. The clinicians need guidance around that, and as well there is different understandings of the MS patient disease course. In addition, we are aided by the number of biomarkers which are becoming available, and these include quantitative MRI imaging biomarkers as well as now blood biomarkers. And I think we as a field need to understand how to use these in clinical settings in order to guide treatment decisions. So network science can help in this in the precision medicine approach for multiple sclerosis because we have a very clear understanding that MS is a complex disease. It is not one gene, it is not one modality, and there are multiple cells involved, there are multiple readouts that we need to keep track of. So that is where big data comes in. Now this includes data around clinical measures, around imaging, around biomarkers, genetics, and genomics. And so it is the task and really the challenge of network medicine, network science, to bring all of these types of data sets together. And this requires an iterative approach with discovery and then validation and then learning, deep learning, and in order to bring together an algorithm that would predict an individual patient's course. So I think it is the vision that possibly all of this data could be merged together within, say, an EHR setting. We have a number of EHRs that are now in regular clinical use, and there could be a way to depict an individual patient disease course as well as develop a predictive model based on a large data set. And this would be iterative. It will change with time as new treatments are introduced, but it will be able to ideally predict an individual's patient's course. So ideally the EHR will be helping the physician around decision-making, around algorithms, but it will be up to the physician and the patient to ultimately make the decision around management.